Brian Plains in action. He can see right here clearly that there's a 64 by 66 penny wide SMF Pro Trader bar. Hits a spike. Look at that big long wick. That's a confirmation that price action was made right then. Not only that, you got it by 69 by 74 pennies. Let's see if they walk it up. 74, 77's off, back to 78s. 80s are going wild. 78's back in line. 80s on 1,000. Look at that. Here it is. It's running right by you. We're going to see, look at that Pro Trader bar held right to the penny. And I was telling Scotty, don't disobey the move. There's the breakout live. Price actions confirmed by the SMF Pro Trader wick on a 15-minute bar. 77, 79, 78. You got to break 82s off to the ask. God, he just printed 60, 54. They slid that bid. See, the prints are going up. They're sliding the bid where the bids are getting stuck. See, 57 just came back in. There it is, 55. Price action has got some stability. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's move this out of the way. They're printing 38s. They slid the bid. Here, let's talk about sliding the bid. What they did was they slid that bid about a teeny and a half or so, 40 pennies. Let's put this out of the way. Price action there on the 15. Let's make sure by looking at our 3-minute what's going on up here. Remember, oh, market maker gap. Look at that gap in price. When that thing took off, here's what that 15-minute bar equaled, people. Right here. Check this out. Here it is. The price was right here. The market makers gapped the price up. Look at that gap. It's called a market maker gap. That was almost $1 gap. There was no buy through right here. Look. On the yeah, that's this 15-minute bar. That's called market maker bid popping. That's what it's called. That, see what they did? That's called, what they did was that what was way down here. I'm going to show everyone how it was done. See the prices way down here? Like 62, 64 would jump all the way up here, and then all the prices get set, and then it buys it up. That's what they did right here. That's the failure. It's called a market maker gap. Market maker price action gap. That's that 15-minute bar. And there's where the 3 was. And there you can see that he gapped the price. Called a market maker gap. Now it's fading back. See that? Price action is holding there. That's that 15-minute bar. We showed people on another tape that this was a market maker gap, and market maker gaps always fell. That means that somebody popped the price $1 and everyone started getting in. And we filled that market maker gap, and we came all the way right back down here. This is where it started, but there was a higher price earlier, and we came down. They brought it down. There's the failure. That was $1. Well, do the math. The high over here was like 262.38, and this is like 263.67.73. Okay, bam. So they gapped the price up. The market maker did. They pulled it back. They ran it up, and it failed. And now they're trying to make another market on a shallow 369 up off of that bottom where they slid that bid in the other tape. So basically that's how that one is on Apple. I'm going to do the one that we like the best, and you can see that the prices are running so fast. The prices are running so fast that you cannot get in unless you know how to do the execution. One of my major points are going into the close here, other than Apple doing its thing here, is the indexes have a lot of volatility in front of the jobs report tomorrow morning. Okay, and there we go. Bam. And that's price action being made. Anyway, we'll see how it closes. It closes in 5 minutes. So basically what I'm going to do is after the closing bell, there was some nice price action again in these internet sector. Amazon was good off that bottom. comes right up and slid that bid right below 129.15. There's a lot of good ones here. Goldman started coming good off of that 142.50. Peter Brady seeing that one coming. It held that price action on its low today. Google, well, let's take a look at that one. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at Baidu. Okay. Here is the, we're going to find the, we're going to switch these two charts around. This is a 15-minute chart right here of Google. And it's been acting nice all day. And look at this. That's what we call price action in our system here on Google. This is a Google chart right here. Beautiful price action. There it is. All right. Let's get that over there. Let's get this over here. Bam. Let's get the Apple chart below. All right. Here we go. Okay, I've got this thing in my way again. Here we go. All right. Okay. At what price? On what side? I know. So 40 penny, 369. All right.